Welcome viewers. Today I received a doubt or clarification from one of my students who attended Power BI. He wanted to know how to check data or analyze data between particular dates. Okay. So for that, for anything that you want to check or you want to filter, the best option is using slicers. Okay. So let's get a slicer now. We have the slicer. Let's keep it at a prominent place so that we can check the date or how the data manipulates or the visual manipulates. Okay, you should have the month feature or parameter or table in your database. Okay, so I have the month. Okay, so once I click on the month, I have a default slicer option, and you have various analytical tool here: between, before, after, list, drop down, relative date, relative time, so many options. Okay, so let's click on between. I've already selected between. Okay, and he wants the date between 10th Jan to Feb 12. Okay, so 10th Jan to Feb 12. Just click on the year. Okay, 2012. So Jan, okay, Feb 12. Okay, so the data automatically changes. We have our data till May, June, July, I think. Okay, so let's go further down. May 31st. This is my data for May 31st. Okay, if you have multiple parameters or multiple visual tiles, you will have a good analytical tool, or probably you'll have a good analytical representation. Okay, so happy analysis or happy visualization, and more power to you.